Good morning everyone. जहाँ से भी देख रहे हो, hope you have a great day ahead. So yeah, who am I? That's probably the first question you all will be thinking. So myself Deepanjan, currently working as an IT professional, staying in Pune, born and brought up in Kolkata. And why rather currently I'm saying we, because there's a surprise coming ahead. We are starting this because yes, we love to explore, we love to travel, we love our food, and more will be coming with time through the surprises. So that's it. Hope you like our journey ahead, and आगे surprises और आते रहेंगे. So let me now give you the surprise part. Zuzu.
So hey, hi, I'm Sounak and Deepanjan. I hope some of you have already seen some of my videos. I guess I have had 2 videos in the channel, one in Ahmedabad and one I'm just driving in Movavi. So yeah, I'm the second member of this Terminal E channel. Why am I starting this channel? Yes, we both share a common love for food, for travel, for lifestyle, as well as we both love to drive. So this channel will be mostly a mix of motovlogging, a bit of travel, and a bit of everything which we have yet not explored. And hope you will like it, and stay tuned for the upcoming content.
Yes, the surprise is now complete, right? मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ. As I told you earlier, it's we. So me, Deepanjan, and he Sounak. So it's we presenting before you and the rest of the world, taking you on our journey of exploring, thus presenting
Terminal E.
So दोस्तों आगे, I mean this is just the beginning sort of. So आगे क्या होगा? हमें थोड़ा बहुत पता है maybe. Our plan for the next 2 weeks, as you know, we do not plan too much ahead of time. But yes, 2 week में probably एक surprise है, right Sounak?
Yes,
some kind of surprise is coming. So surprise को surprise देने देते हैं. And today we are
नहीं
going.
मतलब let's not give it completely a surprise.
Yes.
Let's give a small hint.
Sure.
So the hint is that in 2 weeks, around
going for an
2
international
weeks
trip.
time, we are heading for an international trip, and it is going to be our first international trip together. We both have traveled internationally many times in the past,
But we haven't been traveling together. But this time we are a group of 4, right since college. So
Yeah.
वही समझ सकते हो.
so childhood friends.
4 दोस्त तो निकल पड़े हैं बदमाशी करने.
So where we are going, that will be a secret. Just stay tuned, just follow our videos and you'll get to know. I hope he has given a small hint by saying badmashi karne, right?
Okay, so नहीं इस पे हम लोग ज़्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे. The other thing is that probably you all can let us know what you want and what do you think about us. If you have any more questions for us, what we would be sharing in the coming days ahead.
Also any areas you want us to improve in the upcoming videos, please do share us all that in the comments below.
And do pardon us or forgive us for probably a shaky, or I'm not sure if the sound is coming great in this video.
Yes,
but yes, we'll try our level best.
Because this is our first foray into vlogging.
Absolutely.
And we still are in the process of mastering the art. So थोड़ा तो बनता है, चलो थोड़ा माफ कर दीजिएगा उसके लिए.
माफ कर दो. एंड आज हम लोग निकलते हैं, थोड़ा काम है, तो कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Few things are decided. We probably have to buy some kind of camera stuff and some electronics stores we'll be browsing.
Yes, basically we'll need a monopod and a prime lens and some other camera accessories.
Trying to figure out exactly what are the prices. We'll do some of those comparisons and all. So we'll let you know. It's the beginning and कुछ छुपाने का है नहीं. जो हम कर रहे हैं वही आपको हम दिखा रहे हैं. So you'll get to know everything. So let's get moving.
And of course, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Yes.
And hit the bell icon for more notifications for any upcoming new videos.
जो आप लोगों का blessings है, जो आप लोगों का well wishes है, that is what we need primarily to move ahead. So thank you and see you all as the day progresses. Bye bye.
Bye bye.